Well, you can ask this question, and I know it's really kind of sensitive, pero of course, your ex-wife is getting married.
And
Do you have any reaction?
I wish them well, sincerely. I wish them well. I'm glad everyone is moving on and is moving.
What about you? Of course,
Itong ano lang ha, after the divorce talaga wala na, hindi na kayo nakapag-usap pa no, ng ex mo. Wala na talaga, period na no, after the divorce. Eto kasi nga, parang nag-isip lang ako, parang tinanggap mo yung role na medyo bad, yung character. Hindi mo naisip na hindi mo mariredeem ang sarili mo doon sa impression ng iba na
Of
ikaw
course,
yung
yeah.
natuturo.
Parte yun. Hindi, I'm not gonna lie. Parte yun talaga sa, sabi ko nga para siyang balancing act eh. Kasi even bago ako bumalik sa showbiz, ang dami ko nang naririnig tungkol sa sarili ko and a lot of them are not true. Kaya, how do you deal with that? Pero since naisip ko na I made it through that, na happy ako sa sarili ko na hindi yung ano yung iniisip ng ibang tao yung nagpapatakbo sa buhay ko. Kaya siguro nakatulong talaga yung time away ko na hindi ko alam na dati pala may ganun. Even a lot of my self-worth, nakatali siya sa opinion ng iba. Na
Ahayaan mo na lang ba na yung ganun yung impression sa'yo without
Yeah,
clearing
kasi-
yourself or something? Parang wala pa ako natatandaan na dinipensahan mo ang sarili mo.
Kasi parang for myself, I don't feel the need na eh. I'm happy when I'm at home, happy with my family life. Yung family ko, the ones I love, know what's up. Kung may siguro sakit man ako nararamdaman, minsan konting kirot, it's not for myself but for my partner and my son. Kasi they're not part of whatever I went through in the past, and yet minsan sila yung pinupuntirya, and it is unfair to them kasi wala naman silang kinalaman sa kung ano yung past ko, and yet they'll receive death threats, they'll receive mga ganun. Kaya buti na lang we're able to really pray and just put a boundary around us na okay, what they're attacking is not me. It's
May last question ako, Tom. Last question. Okay ka ba to work with Carla again?
I would rather not. That's an honest answer. For myself, I would rather not.
Pero what have you learned on your past relationship?
Na a relationship doesn't have to be ideal, but it has to be real. Yun na lang siguro na mas masarap yung ganun. You don't have to make it perfect or live it for other people. If you can live a quiet, have a relationship na kayong dalawa lang talaga, the people that are involved in the relationship,
Last
mas
question na
masarap,
lang.
mas gusto ko
Dito